Tucked away in a nondescript bylane of Indiranagar in Bengaluru, it is hard to miss this bohemian-looking shoe boutique. The tagline aptly mentions that a girl can never have too many shoes. As you enter, you are taken into this fantasy land complete with white walls adorned with beautiful frames to house the fashionable shoes and lovely pink butterflies fluttering on the walls. Smitten, which opened last year, aims to cater to the mid-segment consumer who would love high street fashion at an affordable price.
This has been started by my partner Sakshi and I, and it was just one random day we sat together and we were having coffee and we realized that currently in the market you don't have enough stores which sell shoes to the middle segment. It's either the very expensive Louboutin or the Louis Vuitton, or you have the Charles and Keith and Aldo. And our tagline, which rightly says, a girl can never have too many shoes, that applied to us because you want to have a shoe to every outfit, and to keep spending every so often for every outfit doesn't really work out. So that's where we fit in. That's where we wanted to bring in multiple shoes at high street fashion at low cost.
Despite having no background in running a shoe business, it is the sheer passion and love for shoes that made Sakshi and Anisha take the plunge and start the venture with their own savings.
I've always loved shoes. Even as a child, I would wear my mother's. I would constantly buy 10, 12 pairs at any given point. So I always had this real love for shoes, a real passion for shoes, both of us. And we took our passion to the next level.
Every pair of shoes in Smitten is handpicked and curated, and it just opened its second store in Hyderabad and is now looking to expand to a couple of other cities in the south.
Primarily, most of our stuff comes from Hong Kong. We source from there. We do have our manufacturers who design and make for us, but they're not completely exclusive in the sense that a lot of these styles are exported to other bigger markets, but we curate each style for the Bangalore market, for the India market. So we are looking out for styles that will work with us and that will work with our brand and the city as well. And every single style is handpicked by each of us. So we travel there, we select, curate, and then we display out here.
You spoke about infrastructure, so how do you think the government can help in any way or give an impetus?
That's a tough one. The government can do a lot of things, but there are challenges inside the government, right? A lot of the initiatives and things that are I would say decided at the higher levels, don't make their way all the way to the ground.